The following Hōʻike production has been made possible in part by the Rice Street Business Association and Kauaʻi Family Magazine. Step right up, Kauaʻi! HCT's award-winning main stage theater is bringing Meredith Willson's beloved classic, The Music Man, to the island this November 21st through the 30th. The Music Man is one of those rare stories that blends heart, humor, and a little harmless mischief into something unforgettable. Directed and choreographed by Carol Culver, with music direction by Ben Noss, this iconic American musical features unforgettable songs, big laughs, and the kind of feel-good magic we all need. But instead of us giving you the entire rundown, why not hear it from the folks in River City themselves?
Now, folks, let me tell you, when I rolled into River City, Iowa, I saw opportunity. One pool table, one moral panic, and 101 sucker of citizens ready for salvation through music. All I had to do was sell them a kids band, instruments, uniforms, and one big old dream. Didn't matter that I couldn't read a note. Details, details.
Details? I'll give you details, Mr. Hill. You came into my town with your fancy talk about trombones and think systems, and the next thing I know, every boy's marching around my parlor in his underwear pretending to play a cornet.
And I must say, it was simply scandalous and delightful. Why, I haven't seen such enthusiasm since the 4th of July social ball.
At first, I didn't believe a word of it. I knew Harold Hill was no professor of music, but he did something I couldn't. He gave people hope. Even my little brother Winthrop started smiling again.
I got a cornet, and I don't care if he's a fake. He made me feel like I could play something.
That's Harold for you. Used to be partners, you know. He's slicker than a grease pig at the county fair, but under all that pitch, big old heart.
I didn't mean to fall for the town, or for Marion. But somewhere between the pitch and the parade, I stopped selling a dream and started believing in it myself.
And when the town found out the truth, I told them, look what he's done for us.
Ye gods, we love him.
I didn't plan on staying, but for the first time in my life, I got my foot caught in the door on the way out.
It's coming soon, The Music Man, November 21st through the 30th, presented by the Hawaii Children's Theater. For tickets and more info, visit hctkauaʻi.org or call 808-246-8985. Strike up the band, Kauaʻi. This is one show worth marching to.